Hello friends, in this video we will learn to know about headings, paragraphs and images in HTML. Here is the example. See this. Here is the HTML. In this is the body part. See this. This is the appears in the web page. See this. Headings are like this. Here is the details of the headings. H1. How the H1 will show. Headings with H1. See this. H2 says headings with H2, H3. These are the changes of the heading sizes. H1 is the larger one, H2 is the smaller, H3 is smaller than H2, H4 is the smaller than H3, H5 is the smaller than H4, H6 is the smaller than H6, H5. Like this. There are 6 headings in HTML. Then see this. Here is the details of paragraphs. How the paragraphs are used in HTML. P tag is used for paragraphs and you can break paragraph with br tag. See this. This is the br tag. And one more one. Here is the details of the images. Image img tag is used for image. src is the source. Where is the file exist? That file we need to put it. Because this is in the same folder, then just I am using this file name file name only. Otherwise, you can need to put the enter details of those source address. See this, how this file output will appears in the web page. See this. Here is the details of the headings. The size of heading with H1 is greater than H2. The same way everyone decreases up to H6. Then see this. Here is the details of paragraph. How the paragraph will appears in the web page. And see this. After can br tag is there. Br used to break the paragraph. See this. After can this paragraph is breaked with the br code. Br. Then see this. Here is the details of images. This image comes from this source flowers.jpeg, this image name that appears like this. We will discuss few more things, so many things in upcoming videos. Up to now, happy to see you. Thanks for watching.